you said. I walk the earth, my darling, but I never feel at home. And we all say, I will change tomorrow. This could be a perfect place. I will change. This could be a perfect place. I will change tomorrow. This could be a perfect place. I will change it all tomorrow. I will assure all love husbands who are guilty and the wives who feel useless. And I will nurse all of the black and blue babies with their unhappy parents who had unhappy parents. And I will assure all of the boys who feel awkward and the girls who feel clumsy. And I will walk alongside the old man who feels so alone as everyone rushes by him now, baby. 'Cause not much is sacred. There's not really much to do here anymore. I don't feel like you said. I walk the earth, my darling, but I never feel at home. I will change tomorrow. This could be a perfect place. I will change. This could be a perfect place. I will change tomorrow. This could be a perfect place. I will change. This could be a perfect place. I will change it all tomorrow. This could be a perfect place. We are all together alone, and these are just wishes, and I am just dreaming.
Voice of the Beehive, what can I say? And Tracy and Melissa have actually requested some of these special Mickey ears, and they're going to wear them for the rest of their lives, aren't you?
Give us one, yeah.
The band wanted them, but it's too ugly, that band. Ha ha! Now listen, come on. Tune in next week to Hangar 17 for more fantastic fun. We'll be here, I hope. Well, if we can get all that mess cleared up over there. Come on, you lot, get it cleared up.
Hey, boss, we found this guy trying to sneak in the back way. We thought you might want to have a word with him, making him spy, that kind of thing. What do you do?
I'm the building foreman.
Oh, you're just the man I want to see. Tune in next week to Hangar 17. Meanwhile, for me, it's hammer time. Right, you. I want to see you. Hold it! Now, listen, I'm saying this. I don't care. No, sorry, it's all right.
Brilliant as it flew off their Hangar 17